How to create a funnel in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, and in this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do this by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to create a funnel in HighLevel, obviously. Two, how to create pages within a funnel in HighLevel. Three, how to configure a funnel in HighLevel. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo sub account, where I'm going to walk you through these steps. So you might end up here on the Launchpad dashboard. And what you want to do to get to funnels is go to something called sites. So sites is a generic category that houses funnels, websites, stores, some other stuff such as analytics, blogs, WordPress, client portal, forms, surveys, chat widget, QR codes, and URL redirects. So it lands you by default after you click on sites on the funnels, which is nice. And then what we want to do from here is we want to click on this blue button, new funnel. From there, we can either create from blank or from template. I'm going to create from blank, and we're going to call this how to create a funnel. So you give it a name, doesn't matter what the name is, you can change it later. And then once you're here, it says get started by adding a new step. So a step is essentially a page, right? So it says here add new step or import. So we're going to click that, and the reason it says import is you can import from ClickFunnels Classic or ClickFunnels 2.0 now. And then we can give it a name, so this could just be the first step, we'll call it. And you can give it a path if you want, like / first step, or you can leave it blank and let it create its own. So then we click this blue button, create funnel step. Then once it's been created, we can create from using an existing template again, or we can create from blank. A lot of times I like to create from blank. So in this spot, we can just click create from blank. It'll open up the editor. And the first thing it's going to do inside the editor is going to ask you to add a section, because the way the structure of these pages works is you have to have a section, then add a row, then add your elements. So usually I'll do full width. It'll look green like this. Then I'll click add row. And I'll usually do just a one column row, but you can see there was options there for multiple columns. And then you can add an element, and that element might be like a headline at the beginning. And then, of course, if you want, you can add another element right away, or you can add another row by clicking on the blue and add a row, or you can be like me and create a brand new section for every single area of your page to keep it kind of cleaner and neater and allow you to quickly and easily move entire sections up and down and all around. Plus, you can also hide an entire section if you so choose later on, which then will hide all the rows, all the elements, etc. inside that section. So that's one of the benefits of doing it that way. Then you do need to save every so often. You do not have to publish it yet, because right now if we try to publish, it's basically going to prompt us like this and say select a domain. If you do not have a domain selected, you cannot publish it yet. If you do, you can select whatever domains you have available and attach it and then save it. You can also preview what it'll look like by clicking the little eye icon. You can see also you have it in desktop mode, and you can also switch to mobile mode, see what it looks like there. If you have more than one step or page in your funnel, you can click on that, and then you can navigate to those within the editor, so you don't have to go back and forth outside the editor. Then you have all these elements here, like this is where you add elements. If you want to add more elements, you just click the plus button. It opens up this window, and you can go through sections, rows, elements, global sections, section templates, pre-built sections, buttons, social media icons, countdown timers, images, and progress bar. And then you also have layers, so you can check out what layers does. Pages, of course, we just talked about that. Tracking code, where you can add some JavaScript. Custom CSS, if you want to add that. Typography lets you pick and choose your fonts. Background allows you to pick a background image and or colors. Pop-up settings, this is an important one. This is going to be where you have an exit pop typically, or maybe you have a button on the page that opens that window to fill out a form. And then we have SEO metadata, which will look like this, where you can add your content, keywords, author, social image, links, tags, etc. And then we have preview custom codes. If you have any custom codes, you can preview those. Cookie consent, if you want to add that. So those are all the different options there. And then over here we have undo, redo, hide settings. That's like if you see the settings here, you can click it, it'll turn it off, or I can turn it back on by clicking this. And then versions of it, right? So this is your complete editor, which is very simplistic. And if you're at all familiar with ClickFunnels, it's very similar, only it's been changing a little bit here and there, so it's a little bit different probably than what you are officially used to with ClickFunnels Classic specifically. So we'll go back. So that was how to basically create the first page and edit it. And then we can always clone the funnel step if we want to. We can delete it. And we can always make a split test so we can create a variation. If I click this, I have to add a domain first before I do that. But once I do that, then I can either create a variation from this original or from a different page or template. You can also add products to a page. So if you have products inside of Stripe and you've set those up, you can click the plus product button, select your products that you've set up like this with the price point, etc., and then add it to the page. And then publishing, again, you can change the name of the step name or the step URL. And if we want to add another step, we can do that. We can create funnel step, and maybe this one we'll use existing. So we can choose one of our previous funnels and then choose a funnel step if we want to build it from that. Or we can do the same with a website. We could choose one of our websites and then choose the website page. If you don't have anything pre-built, then it doesn't matter. You want to go back and just create from blank, okay? So then to configure this funnel, right, we have stats. So any stats that get accumulated between the pages will show up here depending on the date range you decide. You can also reset it. Sales has been moved. It says like all orders, sales on version 2 of this funnel are available in payments, orders, transaction tabs. So we're not going to see those here. Security, we don't have any security headers, but you can add one. Events, it says send tracking events data to Meta. So we can add events, but we don't have any. And then we have settings, which is probably the most important one here out of these besides steps and stats. And this is the one where you can rename the funnel, rename the path to the funnel, which really doesn't matter. This is where you have your head tracking code and body tracking code, where you would insert stuff like the Meta pixel from Facebook. If you want to add a chat widget that you've set up here, you can then see those available here and select one of those for the site or funnel. Payment mode is currently in live, but you can turn it off to be in test mode. Optimized JavaScript is enabled by default. Image optimization is enabled by default, and GDPR compliant fonts is disabled by default. If you want to delete the funnel, you can. Then there's a blue save button just to write that behind my video. And then, of course, selecting your domain, you can add your domain here. And if you want to, then you have to save it. Otherwise, you can always just remove it. If you aren't happy with having that, just click remove. Then you can share your funnel, and that's pretty much how to create a funnel in HighLevel. So if you have any further questions with this, please let me know. Just leave me a comment below this video with your question. I'll do my best to answer for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including high-level insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.